Welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to reset any Wi-Fi extender or Wi-Fi repeater in just 10 seconds. So first of all, plug your Wi-Fi extender or Wi-Fi repeater into a power outlet. Then after 2 minutes, press the reset hole using the pin, pen or paper clip for around 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds, release that button. Now, in case if your Wi-Fi extender do not have a reset hole, or instead have a reset button, so then press that reset button for around 10 seconds to reset your Wi-Fi extender. Also, there are some models of the Wi-Fi repeaters which do not have a reset hole or reset buttons, but for sure they must be having a WPS button. So this WPS button acts as a WPS button and a reset button too. So to reset this Wi-Fi extender, you will have to press and hold that WPS button for around 15 to 20 seconds while the extender is still plugged in into a power source. So finally, after successful reset, you will be able to find your extender's factory default name showing up in your Wi-Fi list. And you can watch these extender setup videos given on our channel. And if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a blessed day.